All right, y'all. Today is Tuesday, and now we'll open up the last 3 packs of Prismatic Evolution. Let's start off with pack number 4 of 6. Let's see, man. All right. Pack number 2. Pack 5 of 6. Oh, man. I tell you, boy. This pack, I just don't know. This Prismatic Evolution. Starting to believe they say it's true what these people be saying about this Prismatic Evolution, man. The no hit race is crazy. I did get 3 Pokeballs. That's cool. Got them screen tail. Oh, I got a hollow knockoff. I'll take that. All right. Last pack out of 6. 6 out of 6. Here we go. Can we get a full card art? Another Eevee. Or a Great Tusk. Got another Suicune, of course. We got a Pokeball. A Shiny. Hold on, man. I'll get a legendary. Okay. An Iron Boulder. We'll take it. Well, guys, that is all for today. Those are my hits. Better luck tomorrow.